Attention, WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming. You will soon be able to add links to your other social media accounts on your WhatsApp profile. To do this, simply open your WhatsApp profile where you will see a new links option. Click on it. For now, you can only add your Instagram account, but WhatsApp will soon support other social media platforms as well. To add your Instagram account, simply enter your Instagram username and click the Save button. That's it. Your Instagram link will now be visible on your WhatsApp profile. Now, your friends, family, and contacts can easily discover and follow you on different platforms. No more sharing links one by one in chats. You also have full control over who can see your social media links. You can choose options like all WhatsApp users can see your linked accounts, or only people you have saved in your contacts can view them, or choose specific people who can access your links, or you can keep your links private and hidden from everyone. Also, if you ever change your mind, you can easily go back to your profile settings at any time to update your social media links or completely remove them.